Hi, Martin here. Today I want to show you, I got a welding cart right down here. Now this is my Harbor Freight one, the $40 cart that they have. Now I just purchased this one. And this is their Vulcan, their top of the line cart. Just got it together. Very nice cart. Definitely a quality piece. Now I'm going to transfer, my welder and my plasma cutter that I got down here to the new one. Plus I got a new TIG, and that's why I got the new cart to handle all three. But I wanted to show you some modifications that I've done to their $40 cart to where you can get two welders or a welder and a plasma cutter on it, because it's really not made to fit both, but with just a little bit of modification. And besides, what kind of Martin built video would it be if there wasn't some kind of cutting, welding, or modifying, right? Alright, right here I got my Miller 211, and down here I got a Hypertherm 350 that I've had for, I think, since the late 90s. Okay, now to get both of them in here, for one, this shelf originally mounted down here on this location here, and I couldn't get the Hypertherm underneath here. So just by re-drilling a couple holes right here and one back here, and then of course the same thing on the other side, raised the shelf, and I was able to slide the Hypertherm in here. Then I got the air chuck is right here. So what I did is I take a hole saw and drilled a hole right through there so I can pass the air hose through there to the air chuck right here. And another thing I did is I slid it all back. Here are the original holes right here. I slid it all back because I don't use the big tank. And this will fit the scuba tank and the skinny tank still. And that gave me the additional room to get all of this in here, because otherwise I couldn't have got the Hypertherm underneath here. Now this is probably definitely over the weight capacity of this, but I rarely even, I just move it around a little bit in the shop here once in a while, and it does just fine. Another thing I did, I needed to get this up, the front of the Hypertherm up here, because of the cord that's coming out of here. So I just made this little piece of metal right in here. It's a couple pieces of angle, and then I put a piece of flat in there and just screwed it together, just enough to raise it up so it isn't on that cord right there. Alright, with everything removed off the cart, here I can show you the part that I add down here. See here, it's just a couple pieces of sheet metal angle iron I had laying around, and screwed them together, put some paint on them, and just like that. So with just a few simple mods to this $40 cart, you can get it to fit, either two welders or a plasma cutter and a welder. And it's been working out for me for a long time, but now that I've gotten the TIG, I felt like I wanted all three of them on one cart. Well, I wanted to share that with you. Hopefully that helps you out if you do buy this cart and you decide you're going to get another welder or a plasma, that you can still make it work with the $40 cart. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I appreciate the thumbs up. It helps out the channel big time. And if you've never subscribed to me before, please hit that subscribe button right down there and that little bell symbol right next to it. That way you get notifications of my upcoming videos. And I'm also an Amazon affiliate. Check down in the description below where you can click on one of the Amazon links and do all your purchasing through one of those links, and that helps out the channel financially. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next one.